Today we're going to solve Armageddon, which is a retired machine on HackTheBox. It involves Armageddon exploitation, reading and cracking a password from the database, and exploiting sudo snap install to gain root. A quick port scan shows us that port 22 with SSH is open and port 80 HTTP is open. It also tells us the Drupal is set. By judging from the name, we can already tell that we used the Armageddon exploit, famous back then, to gain any access. But we will have to look at the website first. Yeah, as I said, there's nothing really special over here, so we actually go ahead with the Armageddon exploit and Metasploit. Quick search should get us a hit. Yeah, there we go. We will use that exploit, we find. Set the L host to us. And set the R host. The target's machine. We see that the machine is vulnerable. There we go, we have a shell, but we are the Apache user, so we might have to hop on more to actually gain the user's flag. We see another user, Bruce the real admin. We will copy that over. That might be interesting soon. Let's actually see if we can call the home directory. We cannot, we don't have permissions. But we know that Drupal stores its settings in the sites directory. So let's actually cd over there. And then we should go into the specific directory, which is default in our case. Let's simply call this and see what's in there in the settings PHP. And it should give us some database credentials. There we go, we see the database credentials. We'll copy that over. We might try to connect via SSH using the password, but we already know that won't work. So we simply go ahead and connect to the database and see what's on there. So in the database, we see this folder called users. We will actually select all and see what's in there. There we go. We see a hash for the user Bruce the real admin. We might want to try to crack it. Copy it over, put it into a file. And use John the Ripper to actually crack the hash. So I already did that, and that's why I know it's Babu. So let's actually connect to the SSH server with the credentials we gained. The password. And that's how we get the user's flag. So we can also see whether we have permissions on this sudo snap install. So we want to look for a malicious package we can install, and it's give us a few hit on this dirty sock. Yeah, and I found this package we want to install. So let's just simply copy that over and actually install that. So what I'm doing here with this command is I copied over the package we found here, snap. We decode it with base64 and print it to a file after printing with Python to the console. So let's do that. And we should have a file called PBL. There we go. And all I want to do now is we simply want to actually install the package with this. We also have to provide 2 flags to successfully install it. There we go, we installed the dirty sock. Let's see if there should be a new user now. Yeah, the dirty sock user. Let's actually change user. This is dirty sock user. The password is, by the way, the same as the user's name. The dirty sock user has permissions to actually run all the commands, so we can actually simply get root. There we go, and that's how we obtain the root flag over here.